Hello everyone, welcome back to today's coding video. Today we will be coding a way where you can send players to another Bungeecord server through code. Now, the way this works is we use a thing called the Bungeecord message channel or whatever, where you can send messages, technically messages, they're actually like commands from Spigot to Bungeecord without being in Bungeecord and you're on the Spigot servers. So in order to do this, there's a few requirements which you require. First of all, you're going to require a Spigot server, and the second one is you're going to require a Bungeecord server. And for this example, I will code it on this plugin here, and then I will show an example of how it works in actual code on a server that has Bungeecord using it. So you do require Bungeecord if you want to use this, because it's actually sending to Bungeecord, not just Spigot. So make sure you have a Bungeecord setup server. In this case, we are going to be creating a command that will send you to another server. In this command, we'll just make it like lobby2, it will send you to or something. So the first thing we're going to do is create a new class, and we're going to name it like lobby command or something. And we're just going to make it same thing that we've always done, just like we've done over here. And to make it a little bit easier on us, we're just going to copy our previous command startup procedure here, where you have you can only run this command as a player and stuff, just so it's a little easier. But make sure you implement command executor before you do anything. But I'm just going to copy this in just because it makes it a little easier and in terms of setting it up for the first time, because I don't want to just rewrite this, and we're just going to change the command to /lobby itself. That way we don't actually have to fill out everything that already exists and just redo what we've already done in the previous tutorial. So I just copy this little bit of code here. Of course, all this is available on GitHub for you immediately. Now, before we actually put anything in here, I'm going to create a private void, and we're going to name this send server. So we're going to use this in a different way, and it's going to send players, and we're going to call this, and make sure to set it as player, and string server. The reason we're doing this is because what this is going to say is when we call this void up here, we're going to name what player's being teleported and what the server name is. So this could be used in any type of situation where you want to send it to any different server. So to start off, we're going to use byte array output stream. It's going to be this one. You can tab that in if you want. And then you can just type it again with byte array output stream equals new byte array output stream. And that's all you have to do. And that's your first line. So you can pretty much just tab that in. Now this also is available on GitHub, this whole class. So if you just want to skip ahead and copy all this and just input it into your code, that's fine. But I'm actually going to write it out. The next one's data output stream. And you're just going to do the exact same thing you just did. And you can just tab all this in, equals new data output stream. Just like you did before, just tab this. But this time you're going to put byte output stream inside the data output stream, just like that. Make sure you put the equal sign or that's not going to work properly. And then you're going to do a try statement, and this is actually where it's going to connect the player if possible. So in this case, it's going to be data output stream. Oh my god, I can't type today. Output stream, there we go. And that is going to write, and it's going to be write UTF, and you can just type the word connect here. I don't know why that is breaking. Did I do something wrong? Write UTF. Maybe I didn't import this correctly. Oh, it's because we haven't added the catch clause. I'll do that in a moment. Hold on. You're getting ahead of me here, coding program. We're going to do another code output stream, but this time we're going to write UTF, and this time it's going to be actually the server, which is going to be our string, which we're going to get the string from up here, and we're going to input manually and everything we're going to do. So you can just keep like this. Now we're going to add the catch here, and we're going to catch for IO exception. You don't really have to worry about what this is. Just know that if something goes wrong, we're just going to print a stack trace, and it's going to tell us what went wrong. And then at the end of this, we're going to actually send the player there. So we're going to do player.send. Now this is a little different. It's going to be send a plugin message. And then you want to get your main class. In our case, it is main, it's called, and we can just get instance or get plugin. I don't remember what we did. It's get plugin actually, and then just put a comma, and then it's going to be Bungeecord is the name of the thing we are going to set up in the main class in a minute, and it's going to be byte array output stream .to byte array, just like that. And then if you have an inventory open or anything, you can send them a message. In our case, we're going to just send them a message here, and we're going to send them a message that says color green, and we are going to say connecting to server. Just like that. So you can see everything, all the errors went away except for this, which I'll fix in a moment because we haven't had that set up yet. But we're just going to go up here to our command, and so when the player runs the command, we're not going to check for permission anything, but we are going to do we're going to do send, just what we have down here. I press insert. Oh my god, why am I just took a screenshot? What am I doing here? I'm going to unpress insert and do send server, and you can see the player name will be first, so we'll put player. In our case, it's player right there. And then you're going to put the server name itself in parentheses. In our case, it will be lobby. So it will send the player to the server lobby using this method down here. Now, if we go into our main class now, and this is where we're going to set something else up in our onEnable method, and this is going to allow us to actually register the program getting Bungeecord and sending the message out. So we're going to do get server .get messenger .register outgoing plugin channel. This, you can just do this, and then you can put Bungeecord, just like this, and you have successfully registered the going out of into another file. And I don't think I have a get plugin in here, which may be the problem. That may be the error here. So I'll go ahead and change this to get instance, and we'll go back to our main class and fix this real quick. To do the get instance thing, or maybe I can just add a I can just add it as get instance to get plugin or whatever. So to add that, you can just do a public static here, and then your main class name, get plugin or whatever you want it to be, and all it has to do is return. You can just put a space here. All it has to do return plugin, just like that. That's all you have to do. Now up here, I'll just change this to from get instance to get plugin. And you can see the error's gone away now that we added that. I don't know why we haven't added that earlier in the coding tutorials, but that is all you have to do for that. You don't have to do get instance. It's one or the other. You can do get instance or you can get plugin. People do different things at different points. So that's all we had to do, but we do have to register our command, remember? So make sure to add it to the plugin.yml. In our types, it's going to be lobby. And also make sure to register the command in the main class here, and it's going to be lobby command, and the command will be lobby. Exact same thing we've done in the last like 30 tutorials, however many we're at here. You just register them in here, just like that, and you can go ahead and build your project and make sure to push it to GitHub, because remember, you want to save to GitHub. And in this case, we're going to add lobby teleport using Bungeecord, or something along the lines of that. So this plugin could be on like a non-lobby server, and it would push to Bungeecord or something to make it like a /hub plugin. Now we will be going into actual videos including Bungeecord coding pretty soon, but I wanted to get some of the requests out by users in our Discord server. So thank you for leaving all these ideas. So that's all we actually have to do in the code. I'm going to hop over to my pre-made server now and show you actually what it does. So let's hop into that. Alright, so I've gone ahead and joined my local Minecraft server, which is actually my upcoming Minecraft server, so you're getting a little sneak peek here on what I'm designing. So this server is called SharkyMC. It's not released yet. I'm still currently working on it, but it will be coming pretty soon, which is pretty exciting. But this is one of my sneak peeks for the next few months. But I did include this exact same system in my lobby selector system, just like it would be in any other server. So what I actually did is I made the same code you saw me make in this video on this server. So I can click any of these, and it does the exact same thing we just coded. So if I click lobby 1, it's going to teleport me to lobby 1, just like if we did it with our code in the other one. Same with clicking to lobby 3. I'll teleport to lobby 3 automatically. Just like that. So exactly what we did in our code is being taken place here. We click this, it will send me to a server in the configure file or in the code called lobby 2 or lobby 1. Whatever you code in the thing, and it will teleport you to that every single time. So we've successfully created the plugin, and hopefully you can use this on your own server to increase and make your own server selectors and all these good things. This is how you do it. My server, SharkyMC, will have more announcements in the future about. I wanted to give a little sneak peek because it uses the same system, so I thought everybody watching this video could get a cool sneak peek of it. So, thank you so much for watching. My name is Noodles. Also, make sure you join, if you haven't already, if you want to code this yourself. I've left the link to the GitHub in the description below. All you have to do for each episode, you can click on the comments up here, and you can see each episode here, which is what we did. Of course, our newest one, we added the lobby teleport, and you can see exactly what we added in green for every single one, what we removed in red. So we added this brand new class, added the new lobby, all of this stuff. So you can find all of this here on GitHub, and exactly every single one, you can just click here and recoded the teleport command. You can see what we removed, what we added for every single episode we do here on the channel. So hopefully you enjoy. I'm sorry this took so long to get out. I've been very busy recently, but I am glad I'm finally getting back to recording these more in-depth tutorials rather than not at all. So thank you so much for watching. My name is Niddles. Stay tuned for more info on my server and on more BGHD development projects in the future. See you soon. Goodbye.